Hello! Today I prepared something special for you, how to play Bellows Shake. Most of you probably will never encounter this technique within the genre of music you usually play, but if you ever do meet this interesting way of playing accordion, this is how it should be done. We play Bellows Shake by opening and closing the bellows fast. There are a few conditions you must achieve in order to be able to play the Bellows Shake. First, you want to have your bellows closed. That is the easiest way. Unless you're a professional, then you can play however you want. When you open and close your bellows, you must have the same range of opening and closing. Only then you can keep the same position and proper articulation. Control your instrument. You cannot shake your bellows like this. You have to keep it close to yourself. Make sure that your straps are tight enough and you hold your accordion like this and not like this. When you open and close the bellows, you usually move your hand left and right. But when you want to shake your bellows, you want to move your hand up and down. Muscles on your left hand must be relaxed. This is the hardest thing to achieve, but it is the key for becoming good with this technique. When you play fast, you will use a lot of energy if you focus on your muscles. Instead, focus on your wrist. Move it up and down. Only way to learn all this is through practice. I'm going to show you exercises that you can use even if you never played it before, as well as if you are playing it already. Exercises will help you to expand your stamina and endurance. Exercise is simple. Start with a C major chord, right hand or both hands. If the chords are too hard for you at this point, you can start with only one note. But I think it is better if you start with a chord because of the massiveness of the sound. First, start with a slow quarter note rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you change to an 8-note rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then triplet rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 16th note rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do the turn, repeat. If you're struggling with the rhythm, take a metronome. I'm going to set it on 60 beats per minute. If this is too slow, try faster. Another way to make these exercises more interesting is to change the chords. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what technical problems you might have, and maybe I can make a video that will help you solve your problem. See you next time.